Everybody, welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 had a green shirt day today, up 2%. Really good day across the board. The NASDAQ was up. It was a really strong day. And the initial catalyst was the retail sales report. It came out that the retail sales were up 0.9% for the month of April, which is quite good. And maybe more importantly, the initial reports from March, where retail sales were up 0.7, they were revised today to be up 1.4, so twice as much as that was reported back in March. So really good consumer behavior that's happening here. You never really want to bet against the American consumer, in my opinion. We basically drive global growth sometimes, and that's certainly what's happening right now. And, households are very sound, businesses are sound, so spending is continue to move. We'll see how that works with inflation, because sometimes that can be inflationary when there's a lot of spending going on, but it does give possibly some room for the Federal Reserve to push down on the economy without killing it into a recession, in my opinion. So we'll see how that plays. I think that got things rolling. Then we had industrial production come out today, which is basically factory output, which was 1.1% higher in April. That was more than expected, supposed to be 0.5%, so it was pretty good. And then we had news coming out of China that Shanghai reached a 3-day zero COVID measure. It's kind of a complicated measure. It has to do with the areas that are outside the quarantine and what have you, but it's the beginning possibly of some easing of restrictions there. So the market thought that was a good thing. Chairman Powell spoke today with the Federal Reserve. There's a whole host of governors from the Federal Reserve speaking over the week. And the market didn't go down when he spoke. It came up a little bit. So that was a good thing, because oftentimes when they do speak, the market does react negatively. We'll see what happens for the rest of this week as far as that goes. The last bit of information I thought was very fascinating was Bank of America released a global fund manager survey today, and they found that across the board, these fund managers have more cash on hand than they'd have all the way back since 9/11, of 2001. So huge cash on hand, which I think is a lot of fuel once things get rolling. It's why you got to be really careful about getting out in these markets, because things could really roll if those guys start moving back in with that cash. And they'll have to if the market does start to recover well, just because, again, they're getting compared to things like the S&P 500 or big indexes that they're having to keep up with. So, we'll see what happens there. So we had a great day, on Friday. Pretty good day yesterday, really just to hold up, and then, a really good day today. And that Bank of America report had one other very interesting thing in it that said that these global fund managers are shorting technology stocks more than they have since 2006. And so when you short something, you literally borrow it from an institution, you sell it immediately, and then you're hoping that it goes down in price, whatever technology stock that might be, and then you're going to buy it back at some lower price. You make the profit and you give the stock back. But when the stock goes up, all of a sudden you're losing money. And of course, the stock can go up forever. There's so an unlimited potential loss. And so sometimes you get all of these people that have shorts kind of buying back that stock so they can give it back, even though they have a loss. They don't want a bigger loss. And it's what's called a short squeeze. And we've seen that. So think about that when you're looking at massive cash on the sidelines and technology being short really heavily. I think that's one of the areas to look because again, if we get some type of a movement up in technology, short squeeze comes, it moves it even higher. All of a sudden, it looks like we have momentum going. And I think that's how sometimes you end up with a pretty good run. So very fascinating what's going on right now, as usual. But altogether, I think things are, going. We'll see what happens. Not sure, where it's going from here. But it's been really nice a few days here off of that low on Thursday morning. Turned out to be a great day to do the rebalance. Obviously, that's what we did then. So, we'll see how that plays out. But so far, so good. Anyway, look forward to talking to you about what's happening tomorrow. Thank you.